In die debat wat deur die EFF aangevra is, het 'n opruiende Julius Malema gesê Suid-Afrika is die enigste land waar 'n revolusie plaasgevind het om die bevryders aan bewind te stel sonder dat hulle die grond gekry het. Dit behoort volgens hom steeds aan wit mense. Daarom het hy 'n beroep op die ANC gedoen om met die EFF kragte saam te snoer.
This is a matter that can unite black people. This is a matter that all of us should stand together and isolate white monopoly capital. This is a matter that can say to us, this is a genuine call which we as black people can identify with.
Pieter Groenewald van die Vryheidsfront Plus het gesê onteiening raak almal, ook mense wat in stede bly. Groenewald sê die regering is nou in die gunstige posisie dat hy landbougrond weens die droogte teen minder as die markwaarde kan koop. Daarom betreur hy dit dat die skuld vir die stadige vordering van grondhervorming op wit Suid-Afrikaners gepak word.
Why do you use the rhetoric of it's because of the white people? Now, I'm very worried that Honorable Zuma said that they will do expropriation without compensation. At least it seems that the honourable members of the ANC in Parliament at least differs from him. I say it again. The owners of the land are the people who worked for it, they paid for them, and they do not apologise for that.
Die adjunkminister van Openbare Werke Jeremy Cronin het namens die regerende alliansie gesê die onteiening van grond sonder billike vergoeding is ongrondwetlik en kan nie ondersteun word nie. Wanordelike onteiening kan talle negatiewe gevolge hê, soos in Zimbabwe bewys is.
Because we just need to look across the Limpopo to see who are the main victims when this happens. The same black majority who've been oppressed in the past. Farm workers, the urban and rural poor, with chronic food shortages and skyrocketing food prices, as a small connected elite seize land in the name of the public interest. So be careful what you wish for, I say to my colleagues across there in the EFF.
Die mosie van die EFF is in 'n stemming van die nasionale vergadering verwerp.